You said online shopping is better than offline shopping. Yes. How can you say that online shopping is better than offline shopping? Online shopping is order the pink color T-shirt and come the purple color T-shirt. In online shopping.
Why are you not returned? Why are you not returned the cloth? The app. Listen. Stop. The app is give option return. Okay.
No, option is not written.
Which app?
Miso.
You prove it. Miso app.
Yes, Miso.
Yes, I will see.
Because I don't have time. Because I don't have a time. I don't talk to you. I have no time. You sit down.
How can you sit down? How can I am sit down?
You sit down.
God, I am not talking to Mrs. Girls, okay? Anyone?
I don't talk to you.
I don't talk to you.
I
don't fight the girls, okay?
You have a no. I don't talk to you. You have a sit down.
Please maintain your distance.